Hey guys, in this video, we're going to do some niche research for print on demand, whether you're involved in merch by Amazon, Etsy, Redbubble, KDP, whatever it is. If it's print on demand, I'm going to show you how to make money with print on demand through finding the best niches that are selling really well right now. We're talking about niches that are making hundreds of dollars per day and the newest niches that people are making money with, not old niches, none of that stuff. Right, so I'm gonna switch my screen so that I'm gonna do this live, guys, so that you can see exactly what niches I found. I was doing some research, over the last, half an hour or so, and I wanted to share with you all of that. Just bear with me a second. Let's switch our screen. Right. So the software that I'm going to be using is Merch Dominator. Of course, just go to Google, type Merch Dominator, click on this link and follow the steps to get registered. It's completely free right now, soon going to be paid, but it's literally the best in the industry right now. Right. So I click on the Merch Dominator link and I come in here, obviously after I sign up and register and all of that stuff, log in. Right, so at the moment we can see the bestsellers. However, we're not just going to look at the bestsellers because the bestsellers, guys, can be copyrighted and also they might be saturated. Now, looking at this one right here, not a lot going on at the moment. This is probably a video or a song by Taylor Swift, so you need to stay away from it. A lot of people have had their accounts banned just because they've used this quote right here. So stay away from this one right here. What I would do actually is I would go to bestsellers and I would change it to newest. So I go to the sorting right here, change it from BSR to newest and click on search. Now we can actually see the latest designs that have been uploaded and that have sold. So looking at this one right here, it was uploaded yesterday on the 18th of March. And it actually sold once on the same day. That is ridiculous. Same thing with this one right here. And it continues to sell because the BSR is low. So March the 18th and it's selling. March the 18th, March the 18th, as you guys can see. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you some niches that I found. And then you guys, are welcome to go ahead and use them. Right. So I typed Cinco de Mayo on the product search module. Like so, Cinco de Mayo, right? Like so. And then I clicked on search and it gave me a bunch of niches. So so a bunch of niches, as you guys can see. And what you could do is you could use the latest ones or the ones that are selling really well, get the title from them and then run them through product search again. So like so, I would go for dabbing Mexican poncho Cinco de Mayo, put it right here, and I will get the idea of how many sales it's making. I'll get an idea about how much it's making. So poncho, what's it called? Poncho. Completely forgot. Dabbing Mexican poncho, like so. Yeah, as you can see, it's already giving us a suggestion from Amazon, which means that it's selling well. So click on search, 692 results. We'll check the BSR as well. There you go, selling well, selling, not bad. So yeah, it's got some sales behind it. And Cinco de Mayo is not, in trend right now. It's going to be in trend very, very soon. On the 5th of May is when Cinco de Mayo is. So we have about a month and a half of selling, guys. Right? So moving on to the next one. We have Nacho Average Dad. So I did the same thing. I clicked on Cinco de Mayo and then I started checking niches from there and running them through product search. So looking at where is it? Yeah, Nacho Average Dad. We've got 441 results. Yeah, got some sales here. And if we look at how many results in that first page with that exact same title, right? Not a lot, only 8 results. And as you can see, they're all selling. Yeah, they've all sold. So this is something that you can get into. Let's check the third page. Wow, 4,000. 4,000 results, but they're not going to all be the exact same Nacho Dad title. So, you got to balance it out, between the actual demand and the competition. So you got to weigh it out, guys. Let's go to the next one. So we have Dabbing Mexican Poncho. Yeah, we already discussed that. There's some sales in there. Let's have a look at this one right here. I'll trade my sister for Easter candy. Guys, 58 results only. Look at that. Are there sales? Yeah, this one is selling. All right. Not bad. I mean, probably sold once in the last week or so. Yeah, I wouldn't say it's a dead niche, but it's a niche that sells very rarely, and but it doesn't have much results, as you can see. So it's a balance between demand and how many results there are, competition. I'll trade my brother, 69 results. Okay, this one has 852K in BSR. 900, 2 million, 2 million. So it's a slow niche, but it doesn't have many results at the same time. So you just got to weigh it out. All right, let's start looking at some other ones. So 223 bank run, 250K. This one is a new niche, and there's only one selling in this niche, 33 results, not many. All right. Let's have a look. Yeah. Empty niche, only one is selling. So you make a decision whether you want to get in it or not. Eat tacos, pet dogs, tacos, and wiggle butts. 128 results. Is it selling? Yeah, a little bit. I'm trying to give you a variety of different niches. Some niches are selling a lot and some niches are not selling much, but they don't have much competition. So it's a balance that you really have to make, guys. Apparently our trouble when we're together. 429 results. Is it selling? Not bad. Yeah. It's actually selling in the first page, but not, I would say this is medium, not like top. The top ones you'll see, below 100K in the first page. This one, stay away from it, right? I just wanted to show you this one right here so I can warn you against it. But it is selling like crazy, as you can see. It is selling like crazy, but it will put your account at risk. So stay away from it. Straight outer talking stages. 207K in BSR. How many results? There aren't many results, guys, in the first page. So if we look at, there's only 37 results in the first page, plus a few others in the second page. And that's it. Overall, there's only 60 results. So something you could check out. Because I'm the coach, that's why. 88 results, right? Empty niche, guys. Empty. What's this? This one right here is actually an old niche, but it's probably being revived. Where did I find it? I actually found it in Seller Trends, right? Find it somewhere here because it literally sold from yesterday to today. It sold once. That's why it's actually showing that that the BSR went down. So Seller Trends shows you literally the best trends possible, or at least the sales or the designs that have sold from yesterday to today. It literally tells you everything. Yeah, I found this one right here as well from here because I'm the coach. But I'm trying to show you the entire niche so that you guys can, work out whether it's something you want to get into or not. Yeah. Next. Yeah, so is it selling? Yeah, it is selling. Not bad. Yeah, this is a good BSR. Anything below 300K is not bad. Below 1 million, we're starting to talk about, this is a slow niche. you know, you can check it out. Why not? I mean, it's just sold yesterday, this one right here, but it does have reviews. So if you come up with a better design, maybe. Promoted to Grandpa again, 2023. 192 results. And it is selling. Look at that. This is a good niche, guys. Check it out. There. 202 results. And it is selling, not bad. Again, not a very fast seller, but considering the competition, it's not bad actually. 2024 Trump. This is a very, very good niche, guys. Very, very good niche. And there's a lot of other designs attached to this niche that you can work with, so you can sub niche even more. So this one right here, if you take the title and put it in product search, for example, you can actually find out more about whether that niche is selling or not, whether it has a lot of competition, whether it has a decent BSI in the first page, etc. Again, there's a lot of variety. 45, 47, right? This is something that you can check out as well. Yeah, Trump, Take America Back 2024. This looks decent as well, but obviously you have to plug in the title or the main keyword in product search again right here in product search, and then check out whether it's selling or not, right? Let's see what else. Social worker rainbow, 125 results. Yeah, selling. Guys, I'm giving you the creme de la creme here. Mama tried, 388 results. But when I check the overall title, there's not many titles that have the exact same wording. So Mama tried. If we do exact match, or at least phrase match, there aren't many t-shirts here that have Mama tried. It's just that Amazon, basically, what they do is sometimes you put in a keyword and they rank certain t-shirts for that keyword, which is really weird if I'm honest, but it happens sometimes. So this is something you can give a shot to. This is a niche that I went through before, and it is still selling, 154 results. But if we go to the third page, it will have more results there because it is a popular niche. 170 results for Purple Up for Military Month. It might have more results if we go to the third page, but still, it's a decent niche. It's got a lot of t-shirts that have a decent BSR in the first page, and there's a lot of opportunity in terms of using different styles, and as you can see, you've got the bleached messy bun kind of style right here going on. You've got the rainbow going on. You've got the American flag going on. Loads and loads of different ways of distinguishing yourself from the competition here. Lots of opportunities, especially if you're trying to scale up. Same right here. Next, One Happy Teacher Retro Rabbit Groovy, 99 results. Yes, it is selling. Guys, loads of niches available. Just check out Merch Dominator. Literally, I did this in about not even half an hour. Not even that. And I was working at the same time. This is just in preparation for the video. Downright Perfect Socks. So 240 results. But this is a very trendy niche, and it's going to expire very soon in a couple of days. So yeah, had you got in before, then you would have made a lot of money. Buy me books and tell me to whatever this is. 296 results. Yeah, it is selling. You just have to check the copyright, guys. Just check the copyright. That's very important. I haven't checked it. I can buy myself chickens. 46 results. This is all from Merch Dominator, guys. I didn't have to lift a finger. So this is a slow seller. This one right here just sold maybe a couple of days ago. But it's a very, small niche. I can buy myself chickens. Sold. you can give it a go because it doesn't have many. It only has one page of competition. I mean, it doesn't get better than that, guys. Easter Bunny. This one right here, you can check it out, but it would be quite competitive. And Cinco de Mayo, we've checked that as well earlier. So Cinco de Mayo, if you want to find the best niches for it right now, take Cinco de Mayo, put it in product search, click on search right here. And as you can see, these are the best sellers for the Cinco de Mayo niche. What you want to do is you want to take each and every one of them that you can, obviously, and plug it into product search with the specific keywords that are in the title. For example, this one right here, you can put dabbing Mexican poncho and search for it. See how much competition there is in that particular sub niche. And if it is a good fit, then you can give it a go. Why not? Right? And guys, I'll give you 200 plus niches in the description. Just check it out. This is what the landing page would look like. And if you're interested in getting, my niche service without having to research and all of that, I do propose a niche service. You'll find a description or a link down below in the description. If you guys don't have a Merch by Amazon account, we've got a Merch by Amazon accounts creation service. I'll leave you a link in the description. You'll get it within 24 hours. And if you guys want to learn everything about Merch by Amazon, how to start, how to make it work for you, how to actually make money from it, I've got a course specifically for that. I'll leave you a link in the description as well. And if you guys want to, have a strategy call with me, find out what it is that you're lacking, what it is that you need to improve on, etc., etc., I'll leave you a link down below in the description to do one-to-one coaching with myself directly. And I've helped loads and loads of students figure out what it is that they're lacking, what it is they need to improve on. And yeah, if it's something that you find useful, then go ahead and check it out. I'm more than happy to help. And if you found this video useful, make sure you give it a like, subscribe to the channel, leave me a comment down below with your questions or suggestions. I'm going to leave you a link, or not a link, a video over here, which will teach you everything that you need to do to be successful with merch, and basically step-by-step guidance on how the Merch by Amazon process works. And hopefully you'll find it useful. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.